Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot chocolate at home without corn flour. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients: unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar, your favorite milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. This method creates a wonderfully smooth and rich drink, relying on the natural thickness of milk and cocoa, not added starches. It's a straightforward process for a comforting treat. Next, we'll prepare our base. Pour 2 cups of your preferred milk into a saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat. The key here is to heat the milk gently, bringing it to a slight simmer, but never letting it boil. Boiling can alter the milk's texture and flavor. Stir the milk occasionally to ensure even heating and prevent any scorching on the bottom of the pan.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. And speaking of making things easy, why not make your meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers? They're perfect for storing all your hot chocolate ingredients or any other food, keeping everything fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's combine our flavors. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This helps prevent lumps. Gradually add a small amount of the warm milk from your saucepan to this cocoa mixture, stirring until it forms a smooth, thick paste. Then, pour this paste back into the saucepan with the rest of the milk, whisking continuously until fully incorporated. Once everything is well combined and heated through, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It really enhances the chocolate flavor. Give it a quick taste and adjust the sugar if you prefer it sweeter. Pour your perfectly crafted hot chocolate into your favorite mug. Feel free to add toppings like whipped cream, marshmallows, or a dash of cinnamon for extra indulgence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.